Hello, today I'm going to be talking about how hot air balloons work and all the little details about them.
How do hot air balloons work, Megan?
The basic theory of how hot air balloons work is that warm air rises and cold air sinks. So, warm air rises in cold air, like this balloon. It shows that balloons work the same way.
But what does a hot air balloon look like?
This is what a hot air balloon looks like. The main part is the envelope, which is usually made of lightweight fabrics such as nylon.
Wow, that totally blew me away.
How do you make an envelope?
Well, it's the materials cut into panels and sewn together. Those panels are called gores. There can be anywhere from 4 to 24 gores. All envelopes are covered in sealer. Most of the time, it's silicone. You were probably wondering about the big hole in the top. Why the air doesn't escape.
We were!
Well, it's because there's a parachute valve, which is a self-sealing flap that controls the rate of how fast hot air escapes. The balloons also have a basket.
I think I know this one. It's where the people stand in a hot air balloon. It's also made of wood and wicker and is very strong and durable.
Correct! I knew that one too! Well,
I think the burner is the most important though.
Well, it could be, because the burner gasifies the liquid propane, which mixes with air. Then, the burner directs the mixture into the envelope, and that is what makes the balloon fly.
But the pilot can control the altitude by how many times he fires the burners.
You probably guessed that flying in a storm is extremely dangerous, and the pilot goes to great lengths to make sure that the weather will be okay, as calling weather service to find out about the climate and weather.
We are going to cut to the commercial right there, but stay tuned, because later we're going to be talking about air pressure.
Hey! What are you wearing?
Hollister?
Ew.
Oh no you didn't! Oh no you didn't!
Look at, I cannot believe she just said that.
I know,
I mean, she won't even try
like,
and mess with me after
ew,
that.
like,
My God.
Oh my God, I love Hollister now. Hollister, 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 Hollister. Ah! At least it was for Hollister. And now we're back. And air particles are pushed down by gravity, just like people. Ow! Why are you laughing?
Because that was so funny, and in higher levels of the atmosphere, there's less mass.
Well, that's a good reason to laugh.
I know.
It's pretty nice.
Stop getting this. Let's stop laughing. I'm getting migraine. Pushing and pulling is a force. There are many types of forces, like gravity. That is gravity. And also a reason why we're not floating in mid-air.
There are many types of energies, right?
Correct. Mechanical and thermal energies are just two types of energies. It's what the hot air balloon uses most. Mechanical energy is the energy an object has because of the motion or proportion. Thermal energy is the energy related to temperature of a substance.
To pilot a balloon, these are the steps to launch it.
Step 1. Attach the burner system to the basket.
Step 2. Attach the basket, balloon envelope, and begin lying on the ground.
Step 3. Begin inflating using a powerful fan at the base of the envelope.
Step 4. Blast the burner into the mouth of the envelope.
Step 5. Ground crew holds basket down until the launch crew is inboard.
Step 6. Air heats up the balloon and it rises. Now, we're going to do landing. Step 1. Discuss landing spots with ground crew.
Step 2. Ground crew sets up the ground tarp, which protects from wear and tear.
Step 3. The pilot opens the parachute valve all the way till the air escapes out of the top of the envelope.
Step 4. The ground crew gets the cord attached to the top of the balloon and pulls it down until the balloon is onto the tarp.
Step 5. Once the balloon is on the ground crew pushes the air out.
Step 6. When the balloon is flat, the crew packs it into the sack.
If you want to become a pilot for a hot air balloon,
Call 1-800-123-4567.
Operators are standing by. Fun fact!
When the hot air rises, the cold air sinks. That's why basements are cooler, this one, and then bedrooms, because the coolest air in the house is in the basement and the warmest air is in the bedrooms.
That's why it's so nice and toasty in your bedroom.
Well, that's all for today. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, goodbye!